What if you could cook healthier meals, save time, and make your kitchen smarter all at the same time? That's exactly what's happening in homes across America. Modern cooking technology is transforming the way we prepare meals. From air fryers and multi-cookers to smart cookware and connected kitchen devices, today's appliances make cooking faster, easier, and more efficient. Here are some of the innovations leading this transformation. Air fryers have become one of the most popular kitchen appliances for a reason. They use rapid hot air circulation to cook food evenly and create the crispy texture people love without large amounts of oil. The result? Healthier meals, faster cooking times, and less cleanup. Another major innovation is the 12-in-1 multi-cooker. Instead of using several appliances for different tasks, a single unit can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, bake, and more. For busy households, that means less clutter, less effort, and greater convenience. Technology is also making everyday cookware smarter. Smart cookware uses built-in sensors to monitor temperatures and help prevent overcooking, making it easier to achieve consistent results every time. Connected home technology takes convenience even further. Many modern appliances can now be controlled through smartphones or voice commands, allowing users to monitor cooking progress, adjust settings, and schedule cooking times remotely. As more homeowners upgrade their kitchens, the focus is shifting toward appliances that are versatile, energy efficient, easy to use, and built to last. But great cooking isn't just about having the latest technology. It's also about keeping your appliances performing at their best. At HNK Parts, we supply a wide range of appliance replacement parts, including air fryer parts, heating elements, sensors, control boards, seals, valves, and many other components designed to help keep your kitchen running smoothly. To learn more, check out our full blog, link in the description, and shop at hnkparts.com with fast shipping across the USA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance tips and insights. Thanks for watching.